Hi everyone, in today's quick tutorial, we learn how to safely escape a string for use in a regular expression. This is a must-know technique if you're ever dynamically building regex patterns. We'll use JavaScript's replace method with a smart regular expression. Let's see how this simple function prevents regex errors. When using user-generated content inside regular expressions, you cannot risk unskipped characters. This function catches all special symbols and escapes them with backslashes. That way, the string is treated literally and not as a pattern. Let's check out the code that makes this happen. This function looks intimidating at first, but is actually quite elegant. It uses replace with a pattern that targets every special regex character. Each match is replaced with a backslash followed by the character itself. Then the $ampersand in the replacement string refers to the matched characters. The flow here is simple but powerful. We match each character that might interfere with a regex. Then we escape it so it's interpreted as plain text. This means no unexpected errors when your regex runs. Let's walk through a few examples. Parentheses, plus signs, question marks, and brackets all get escaped. This makes your string ready to drop inside new regex or pattern. Super handy when working with user input or dynamic patterns. You'll use this technique in search bars, form filters, and any tool that builds regex from input. It is essential to keep things safe and avoid regex injection or syntax errors. This one-liner has a big impact on app reliability. If your app lets users search or parse content, then this is your best friend. And that's it. You now know how to escape special characters in strings for regex use. This small utility function prevents errors and lets you safely build powerful search tools. Happy coding, and be sure to test it with your own patterns. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.